do a little demo of what I have here, and we'll explain what's going on better in a text. But this is for people who have trouble speaking the commands. So the first one here is just a sofa light.
Controlling the sofa light.
And that turned on. And of course it's a toggle.
Controlling the sofa light.
Next one is a request to get a call back.
I'm sending your son a text asking him to call you.
And there's the text coming through. The next one is to find the missing remote. Try that.
I'm going to find your remote. Echo. Ask Tile to find my remote. I'm ringing your remote.
And the last one is to find your missing phone.
I'm going to ring your phone. Echo. Find my phone. I'm going to call the phone now, so listen out. If it doesn't ring, it's because I can't connect or it's on silent.
And there you go. The reason there are two Echo devices here is because the routines can't invoke a skill. You have to speak the skill. You can't code it into an Alexa routine. So see, I have one device here which is really an Alexa device, one device that's really an Echo device. So that's how that gets handled.